Most bookkeeping firms run their operations on 5 to 10 different tools. Tasks live in spreadsheets. Deadlines are tracked in project tools. Documents are buried in Google Drive. Client requests are scattered across email and text. The result? Constant context switching and no clear visibility across your firm. Financial Sense replaces that patchwork with one centralized system. How many tools does Financial Sense replace for bookkeeping firms? Let's count them. 1. Workflow management tools. Financial Sense recurring templates, task assignments, deadlines, and project visibility tools easily replace workflow management software like spreadsheets, Trello, Asana, ClickUp, Monday, and more. 2. Client portal software. With Financial Sense, you have access to e-secure file uploads, request tracking, and the client communication hub, all available in one platform for fast and safe messaging. 3. Document management systems. Our organized client folders are tied directly to projects and tasks, eliminating the need for external file management that could otherwise easily be siloed off from your daily work and cause unneeded headaches. 4. Password managers. Financial Sense internal and client access vaults provide secure storage for shared client logins and credentials that you can depend on without the need for yet another security system. 5. CRM tools. No need for customer relationship management software to juggle your accounts. You can find client records, notes, contacts, and activity history in one easy-to-navigate place. 6. Time tracking tools. Track billable and non-billable time inside Financial Sense workflows, saving you precious hours and keeping your billing accurate down to the second. 7. Billing and invoicing tools. Financial Sense eliminates the need for a separate billing platform. Instead, you can create and manage your invoices right alongside the rest of your work for documents that contain every little detail and support healthy client relationships. 8. Month-end close software. Ditch the chaos of juggling spreadsheets, QuickBooks, emails, and follow-ups with our accounting month-end close software. You can flag errors faster, ask client questions one time, and push corrections directly into QuickBooks Online, all from one centralized month-end close review hub built for accounting firms. All this plus Financial Sense project and call notes replace scattered Google Docs, Notion pages, and random notebook systems used to capture client conversations and context, while internal team chat reduces reliance on Slack threads and email chains with project-specific communication that lives inside client records and projects. These are just a few of the many tools that bookkeeping firms are ditching when they leave the patchwork behind and choose Financial Sense. Find out what Financial Sense can do for you by clicking the link below or scanning the QR code on screen now.